what you are. And what I am when I step on that court is, I become that. I am that killer snake. I'm stone cold, man.
Because it takes dark energy to be a champion, bro. You look at Kobe Bryant, you look at Michael Jordan, you look at the greatest champions of all time. When they're in competition, bro, they look at the other guy and they're like, fuck you. I'm offended you showed the fuck up. I'm gonna fucking crush you.
It's a competition, and my mission is to destroy you. I'm going to beat you. I'm going to let you know I beat you. And I'm going to want you to reconsider your professional life choice. But if you're lazy, man, I don't want to talk to you. I don't want to deal with you. You're going to make me feel dumber. You're going to lower my level. I don't think so. You can go over there. My response might sound a little tough, but I'd kill him. I'd bury him.
During the Shaq years, were you guys friends?
No. I'm obsessive, and I believe we need to work. He wanted to do it a different way. He felt I should play a certain way and give the ball into him. I said, I'll give the ball into you if you work. You don't work, you don't get the ball. He said, throw me the ball. No. Work. I never pulled any punches.
Who would Shaq be if he had your work ethic?
He'd be the greatest of all time. I wish he was in the gym. I would have had fucking 12 rings.
Kobe said, why would I pass the ball to you when you haven't even trained properly? I used to always wonder, like, why is my man hogging the ball? He's like, yo, why would I have confidence in somebody who's getting to the gym late, who's leaving early, we losing, doesn't seem to care that we losing? Why would I give the ball to you? And I'm like, yo, genius. You're not even executing at your own personal responsibility. My whole career is contingent upon what you do and what you don't do. Yeah, I'm taking this.
It's a simple thing of math. If you want to be a great player, if you play every single day, 2-3 hours, every single day, over the course of a year, how much better are you getting? Most kids will play maybe an hour and a half, 2 days a week. It's not going to get it done. It's not going to get it done. Stone cold killer.
Hard work is the prerequisite. It is the foundation. You will never find a successful person that doesn't have that as their foundation. They show up every single day. They give it everything they have. They do diligent work, which means they put in massive amounts of effort.
I would
at a
be
high level.
considered
They are
very
consistent with
hateful.
that.
I have a script
And-
for when I feel inept, which is put your head down and go work more.
Because you learn how to focus and concentrate, read, understand, remember. What can you apply that to?
It would be
Everything.
considered
Yeah,
very
a lot of people
hateful.
know what to do, but they don't do what they know.
And
I know that.
Well, good morning, boys. It's Friday, Full Port Friday. Well, good morning, Legacy. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning, market makers. We're back once again. We're ready. We're dialed. We're freaking dialed so we can go into the weekend green. If you haven't hit your weekend goals yet for the week, stay patient today. No rushing. And we're going to get it. Good morning, Steve. Good morning, Niner. Good morning, Stuart. Good morning, Anthony. Good morning, everybody. Let's get ready. Good morning, Sean, as well. Today's your day, boys. You're going to be trained assassins today, boys. Trained assassins. Let's freaking get it this morning. What's up, Izzy? Good morning, sir. Boy, oh boy, we going to have some fun today. Expecting, hopefully we get some good action. This thing's just coming down right now. Let's get dialed. Akira, good morning as well. Steve's always putting different names in for these market makers. Crazy. Thankfully, I heard his voice. I knew it was him because I was like, Oh man. So who's up and who's down for the week? If you're green for the week so far, say green in the chat. If you're red right now for the week, say red in the chat. Let's see where everyone's sitting so we know what we gotta do today so we can head into the weekend green. Base freaking hits, folks. Base freaking hits always gets the payouts. Good morning, Maxwell. Hopefully you're doing well this morning as well. For everyone on the YouTube streams, if you haven't already, double tap that screen. Make sure you're hitting the like button for your boy, because every time you do, it makes YouTube push the streams further to people just like yourself. Quality traders that want to win the markets each and every day to secure their freedom. Gentlemen, at 9:25, I'm giving where the VWAP, the 21 EMA, the pivot points, the close from yesterday. So that way you can mark your chart, you can get dialed. I got some good sleep last night. After last night's hangout, I showered, jumped right into bed, woke up this morning refreshed. And then I told myself I have one more day today to train with my trainer, so I don't have to train with him again.
One more day.
One more day, Steve. What's up? What's up? What's up, Anthony? Good morning, sir.
Good morning, man.
What's up? What's up? Another day, another day. Eddie, you're in the market makers now.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. Steve, what's the word, bro? Is that you? Is that Jimmy T? Is Steve?
Yeah, that.
I'm everybody, motherfucker.
Is there, Eddie, are you in here or no?
Bro, I got in on that early morning short, so I'm in on the trade right now, but I have my stop tight because I know the market is finna open and I don't want to get blasted, bro.
No, I feel that, bro. Definitely not. Definitely not, sir.
So we tight on this one. Well, we green though. We green.
Hey,
I'm almost 200 before market open.
Green's green. We're just printing some bear flags here. So we printed so far since, what time is that? 8:54. We printed a bear flag, then printed another bear flag, trying to do another one right here. So who knows what's actually going to happen. Jimmy T just left. Okay.
I'm back.
Okay, so you're the Eddie. Okay. All right. Steve's playing with me right now. Steve's playing with me. He's doing different name changes, everything like that. I'm like, wait, Eddie's not a market maker. Hold on. Eddie, is that you? Leave it to Steve to clown around on the Full Port Friday. It is what it is. Gotta love it.
That's it. And Anthony's like in the short, and I'm wearing shorts. It's fucking game on.
All right, it is 9:25, gentlemen, ladies in here. So let's break the market down real quick for you guys so we understand what we're trying to do today. The 21 EMA on the NQ Nasdaq futures is sitting at 478.25. Just dropped a little bit lower since the price just dropped as well. 477.75, 477.75 for the 21 EMA. The VWAP, we're approaching it. It's like right below us here, 417.75, 417.75 there. We do have a pivot point below us on the trading view chart, sitting at 397.75, 397.75 there. Pivot all the way above us, up there at 592.50. 592.50 for that one, for the pivot above us. Where the close was at. Okay, the close from yesterday all the way down there at 317.25, 317.25. Good morning, Amon. So right now, as it sits, I'm just waiting for some good confirmations.
Has Amon taken any trades? I know that Anthony's in.
Yeah, I'm still in on this short. We're pushing. I'm at 172, 175 right now. Let's go. Give me to 300 so I can close this trade.
300. Come on.
300.
So,
that's all I need, man.
Give Anthony $300 so he can get Meat Lovers Pizza. That's his thing.
Sure. With stuffed crust.
With stuffed crust. He must be going to Pizza Hut.
With stuffed crust, Mo.
Akira, good job.
I'm getting a shirt made for the trip that says and
With
everything like that.
And everything like that.
It'll say with stuffed crust, but in Spanish.
Hey.
I'm warming up, boys.
I thought you were doing the Macarena. I was just trying to ignore it.
The Macarena?
All right.
Oh, today's gonna be a good one. Today's gonna be a good one for sure. I'm not trying to push today. But I am trying to base it on multiple accounts, multiple fundeds, multiple evals, trying to do it all a day. So I'm debating because I have this one eval that's close to getting funded. I need to put like less than $900 in it. I'm gonna base it that one first today. And if I like the market conditions, then I'll start trading some of the fundeds. We'll just go from there.
Bro, I'm so glad I did that. I'm glad I trailed that stock.
Yeah, I mean, like if you were in a short, and I got news for you.
We do have news today at 9:45. 9:45 news today. And I got great news. Today's my last day trading with my trainer till Monday. I'm excited about that. I'm tired. My body's physically tired.
Lame thing to say, like the last day, well, until like 36, 48 hours, you could be back in. Mr. Like, I liked what you did with the media clip, like on I think it was YouTube, or no, it was on Facebook, where it had like the rap song, and then on TikTok it had the let it snow, and like taking the sleigh, and it was like the Christmas one. It's like that was a different vibe. I liked it.
I'm trying to mix it up, Steve. I'm trying to mix it up at this point.
You're like, what was I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, and you're pushing the sleigh. That was nice.
The news at 9:45, Maxwell asked a question there. The news is the S&P Global Comp PMI. So we got the S&P Global Comp PMI in just about 15 minutes. So we'll be waiting. OPEX today.
So we have 9:45. What else? Do we have a 10:30 news?
No, I don't believe so. Let me double check. Nope. 9:45 news. There is news at 2 o'clock, but most of us won't be trading at that time.
But Anthony might have some news. Do you have any news?
Viva Mexico. There's the market open. Look at that selling pressure that stepped in. Ding, ding, ding.
Look at gold stepping in.
No, Steve, I don't have any news.
Okay, that was like the biggest delay. That was
for real. For real.
Sorry, brother. I'm sending emails, bro. My bad. I heard you.
There's a guy. I used to work at tech shop, so it was like I worked at Six Flags, it's like a theme park, and we would fix like all the technical problems like on the rides and stuff. And this one guy, he'd be like that, like he'd be talking and say, "What are you doing this weekend?" And like 15 minutes later, he'd be like, "Well, after everybody's doing something else, I'm gonna go to the beach." And you're like, what relevance does that have? And then it's like, oh, like 15 minutes ago, we were talking about what we're doing on the weekend.
All right, we just tagged that VWAP there. We did just tag that VWAP.
I love that fucking story.
Let's see if we can continue pushing down. We do have that pivot below us here, so I may be wanting to target that pivot, but I want to lose this VWAP with some good follow through here.
Let's see where your doodle is. You don't even have a doodle.
I don't even have a doodle on yet. Oh, that's on the 1 minute. Let's switch over to 2 minute.
Oh, what a reckless smoke. Whoa.
We're through the VWAP.
All right.
Seth, give it 4 minutes. Just made a quick $100 just to test my mouse, and it's working today, boys. So we're good. Hey, I didn't size in. You know what I'm saying? I just did the one contract, played it safe.
He's like, yo, man, I only did 7 contracts. Just let me be.
Just size more into that because it's still waterfall in here. We're trying to, looks like, go down there and take out that 317.25 level. That was the close from yesterday. I would like to see another flag because on the 2 minute, that's one big bear flag right there.
You would like to see a flag.
At this point in time, yes, sir, I would like to see a flag, believe it or not. Because it makes life a little bit easier. A little fly in here. What's up, BP? Good morning, sir.
Okay, what I missed out on. Let's see what's going on. Oh, she's still dropping. She's dropping again. Lord have mercy.
Well, what we need, Duane would like to see a flag because meanwhile, he's going to show the people at home like what the structure does as we start building this monster. That was a breath. He's deciding right now. Let's not microscope anybody.
Oh, we are not microscoping here. Yeah, she wants to go. She's like primed to go here.
Flag building on the 1 minute.
All right, I'll take that. I did cover on that. So when it pulled back slightly, I added another contract because that's what I'm doing now. Instead of just jump in and right at 2 contracts, I'll go in at 1. If it pulls back a little bit on me, when I know we're going to be going in a certain direction, I'll add another contract to give me a little bit more juice, if you know what I mean. Squeeze in a little bit more juice out of it.
That's nice.
Where's that one? There.
Please book the flight today for arrival on Monday.
All right, just switched over to the first funded we're trading for the day.
I think Anthony's doing some mumble rapping in the background.
Hey.
Yes, NQ was good.
I do feel like we will take out that 317.25 level. But at this point, since I switched over to a funded account, I will hold and wait a little bit longer now. As we're coming on down here, we're going to swipe that 317. Do I take a shorty short?
Well, 1 minute had a bear flag that's kind of playing a little bit, but it's
that was a bear flag on the 1.
Yes, that's what I said.
I was confirming it was a bear flag, Steve. Relax, bro.
Confirmation incoming. Praise God.
Let's start doodling. So we're not noodling. I don't know if that makes sense, but it made sense in my head. Leave me alone. It's Friday. Full Port Friday. Yeah, we're missed the move. I missed the move. We're getting ready to swipe that 317.
I got the move.
Must be nice, Steve. Steve coming for smoke again today. He's always coming for smoke, bro. He's always coming for smoke. That jive turkey.
El Leon, the Most High God. Jehovah Nissi. Jehovah Rapha.
Did you say the last
Hallelujah.
one?
All right, let's see if we build us another little flaggy flag. Today's been nothing but bear flags so far. Since even pre-market. Since pre-market. We're right there ready to swipe that 317.25 level. I expect us to build some structure for a flag right here before we continue flushing.
We need to have Jimmy T, the real Jimmy T, on here, which is, is BP.
Is BP on?
Well, I don't think he's on here, but you said hi to him earlier.
Yeah, he's in the chat. He's in the chat. Got a little bit of buying pressure right here. Are we going to get us another bear flag to show us we're going to continue down here? That's the $1 million question. I want to see a slight pop up before we go down. I'm once again hoping for a bearish Trump tweet.
Good morning. This is Anthony with Del Mar Safety. How are you?
What's up, Fuss? Come on, Betsy.
ES is kind of rebounding a little bit.
Full port BP's in the chat. Let's freaking go. We got full port BP in the chat officially.
Here, let's go.
Okay,
Another day, brother.
Dirt, so that means we gotta just go long. Let's go.
No, it looks like we're trying to build another bear flag here. I'm seeing some bearish structure trying to form.
ES is definitely on the 5-minute building that bear flag. I haven't looked at any other time frames on it.
We got less than 5 minutes for the 9:45 news as well.
Holy dump, man.
So I only have a few minutes before I'm gonna have to sit on the sidelines till after 9:45. So we could get this the PMI for the S&P.
Oh, yep, you are correct. Got 5 minutes. 4 minutes, 10 seconds.
So I'm like, if I could take another trade that will only last like 2 minutes, I'm solid, right? Because I'm not trying to be in the news for 9:45. But I don't want to get too close to the news and then something gets released early and then the market's just crazy. So in a pivotal few more moments here, because I feel like this wants to come down. That's a bear flag. But we're not getting the full momentum I want to see on the Rincos for the confirmation. For the flushy flush. So actually, I'm gonna hold off and wait. I'm gonna wait on this one.
I'm gonna wait.
There's plenty of opportunities. Don't have to rush this. The high for today's range is 476. 476. I do believe that's going to hold. And since I said that, watch the market makers just rip this thing all the way back up there.
Okay, I'm gonna set a long.
We may start to slightly consolidate right here till the news actually comes out. So let's see. If you're on the horizontal and the vertical YouTube streams, welcome. Good morning. Good money day. That's coming from Sean in the chat. Make sure you're liking the stream so YouTube will push these out to people like yourself, quality traders that are trying to win the markets each and every day to secure their freedom. With that being said, let's stay patient, let's stay green, and let's not be greedy. That's it. When I get back from Mexico, I gotta honestly look into a sauna like I had in Europe, because I need one of those, because I'll be shedding so much faster than the sauna each night.
Can you just go sit in your garage, for crying out loud?
That's true. I could do that during the day. That could be
I mean, that's like the oddest flex to me in Florida, that somebody has to put in a sauna. Just go outside.
The oddest flex. Well, there's that bear flag. We're right at my yellow line there. Let's see if we get the follow through. We have less than 2 minutes for news. I want to take this flag, but honestly, I'm gonna be hands off until after the 9:45 news drop, and only because I'm not trying to get chopped by news coming out. So it is what it is.
I'll say one thing that is very good for today is that NQ is the stronger asset for shorts.
Finally.
I would agree with that for sure.
If you look at the pre-market, you can kind of see how NQ kind of fails to make a new high, and then ES makes a new high.
How are you doing, Dr. BP?
I'm doing good. I'm just slightly peeved that I missed this huge drop, because low-key, that's trade of the day.
There'll be another trade of the day, bro. Don't you worry.
It's all good. It's all good. If I have to
We're
be flat,
assassins.
I'll be flat.
We're assassins in the market. There'll always be another opportunity. I'm freezing right now. I'm moving so much today because I'm freaking cold.
You're stone cold on the charts.
I even turned off my small little ceiling fan behind me because it's so cold up here today.
And yet he wants a sauna, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, to help get all the extra little water weight, everything like that.
If there's anybody from the other part of the country that comes to Florida right now, they'll just say walking out to the parking lot is a sauna.
No, 100% it is, but...
Okay, here's the news.
There's the news. There's the news candle. Hence why I did not want to sit in a trade. The new low for the 15-minute range is 307.75. It will be completed in about 35 more seconds. So once this is complete, I'll give you the final low end of the 15-minute range. The high end, I don't see us going all the way up there personally.
What was the high end? 477, something like that?
The high was 476. I'm vibing today. I'm just ready to murk these freaking markets today. All right, the range is completed. Low of the range, 307.75. 307.75. Looking like it wants to do another little bear flag look right there, but I would still be waiting for confirmation on the Rincos before jumping in here. Let's see if we can get back down to my yellow line on the 2-minute. So we could take a little shorty short. Welcome for everyone on the YouTube streams on the horizontal and vertical. Make sure you're liking that stream for your boy. The more you like it, the more YouTube pushes these streams out to people like yourself. Quality traders that are trying to win in the markets each and every day to secure their freedom. We have taken only one trade today. It was on an eval account just to make sure the mouse was working, everything like that. Quick $500 base hit. And now we're waiting for the next move. Because even with this push up, it does not make me, oh God, we gotta start taking longs. Not yet. We've been printing way too many bear flags for me to just instantly want to go long right now. I want to see if we build a bear flag here to take us lower. Give me my flushy flush. It wants to, but my yellow line's holding us up here. Look at these wicks on the Renko bars. I'm gonna get ready to kill this here. If the bears don't flush it here, I'll kill this. Just to protect capital.
Ten seconds on all the candles. See what that new 5-minute's gonna do.
We definitely have some structure here. I feel like it wants to flush it, but we don't have the momentum for it.
Yeah, there's a buoyancy there.
Yeah, I'm not feeling the buoyancy right here. Let's see if we get the full flush. As soon as we break my yellow line, I'll probably just kill this just because we keep bouncing.
And we're right. We're coming up on that whole number too, like beneath us. So keep that in mind.
Yep, I see that. I see that. I closed it because Steve had the awesome call out right there with that whole number, that 300 level. I'm not trying to keep tapping and popping up. We did break out the low of the 15-minute range right there. Then we popped right back in, so we are recorrelated. So let me just rotate to the next funded. I'll take a simple base hit like that all day long. Because I'd rather be safe than sorry. Safe is better than being sorry. I'll tell you that. So we just broke out the low, the 15-minute range. My first target will actually, my first official target would be 223.50. But we got to get through the overnight low there, sitting at 275.75. Let's see if we can get some good continuation here. We almost tapped the overnight low there. That's what I was targeting.
Yeah, I'm not happy with that wick on that 2 minute.
Unless you want to give us some more here. I'll pull the trigger on that. 1170 on the third trade of the day right there on a funded account. So we'll gladly take that. That's on a daily account right there. Lucid daily funded. Basically, and that was only what I did add another contract on that. I did. So when it pulled back on me, I instantly added. So that way, when it did flush, we would get a little bit extra juice out off the squeeze.
Oh my goodness, juice off the squeeze.
Yeah, juice off the squeeze, Steve. Yeah, sir. We got 10 o'clock approaching as well. We got 10 o'clock approaching. Less than 5 minutes for 10 o'clock. We have no news at 10 today, but I always treat those hold times with respect, because you never know what's going to happen. I'd rather always never trade it, so that way I never have to think about news or anything like that, even if there's no news coming out. Right back up to the low of the 15-minute range. Thank God I got out of that short. Yeah, I was not trying to be greedy. Took my 1100 and ran. Look at that wick right there, though. Look at that freaking wick.
We got 5 seconds. Let's resolve it. Let's see if we're going to go down south again.
I just don't like that wick because it's a very indecisive candle. Oh, it's like asking your girl what she wants for dinner. Very indecisive.
Yeah, I don't know where you want to eat. Okay, how about let's do Chinese. No, I don't want that. Mexican, no. Do you mean Tex-Mex? No, again.
They know what they don't want to eat. They just don't know what they want to eat. It's crazy. Back into the low of that 15-minute range again, testing. We may pop up here. If we don't reject, we're going to pump a little bit.
One thing I'm looking at is we took Asia on NQ and we did not take Asia on ES.
Okay.
But yeah.
So they're not correlated. That's what he's talking about, folks.
Yep.
The correlator speaks.
We're in the low of this range. If we get above 317.25 with some good momentum and follow through, I will take a long.
Thing I'm gonna mark out the 5-minute candle that's responsible for taking Asia low, just in case we attempt to close above it again.
Beep Pizzle, what's the word?
What's up, Anthony?
I'm chilling, bro. Chilling.
It's like the way your voice came through here. It was like cool. It was like extra cool.
Steve like that, bro. Beep Pizzle. Let's go.
Ten seconds on that 2-minute candle, D-Rock.
Good call. Good call out.
I'm being patient here, man. I'm waiting for a flag to build on this 5-minute chart. I ain't
Well,
getting
Duane
it.
saw the wick on top of the one, so he's thinking it's gonna go. It gotta go.
Yeah, I see a nice wick on the 5-minute candle and a push down. So look like she's still dropping.
350 right there on another 150K funding account right there. Just base hitting here, folks. Like, we're not doing anything crazy. We're just base hitting. Like, that's it. So up on the day, couple dollars.
Couple
Yeah.
dollars.
Couple dollars. Yeah, I could honestly be done trading for the day, honestly.
No, I can't wait for that to be my
What
phrase
account
of
is
the
that?
day. I'm done trading for the day. I'm done.
Oh, was that getting copy trade? I had no clue. Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-ohs.
Raggy?
Made money on accident.
No, I lost money on one. I don't know how I lost money.
Oh shoot.
Watch out, Scoop.
Let me check my copy trader here because I do not recall having it turned on. That's awkward.
Replicanto, doing what it does best.
So one that doesn't make sense. I had no red trades. Yeah, that's stupid. I'm gonna try cleaning this one up. I'll show you guys. So all my trades have been green today, but somehow this copy traded account ended negative 464. So we're gonna have to try cleaning that up here.
Well, just remember, we got 5 seconds to the top of the hour, baby.
Thank you, baby. Let's clean this account up. I don't know. I turned off the copy trade. I didn't even know I was copy trading. But hey, I put money in the other account, but this one ended up red somehow. Make freaking sense.
Yeah,
Let's see.
Like you're doing some micro scalp or something. Today has been kind of like leggy, so.
I've been taking my time a day. Let's see if we start to flush here. I'm waiting for the flush on the Renko bars if I'm going to take a short here. We keep tapping the low of this 15-minute range. That's making me feel like the market, the bulls are trying to step in. But they don't have enough.
High that I marked out, it was at 344. So hopefully we don't, get a candle closure above there, because that's kind of where I was looking for a 5-minute confirmation.
Okay.
And ES is definitely like pushing up.
For
almost
ES,
touched
I
the VWAP.
have it marked out at 7,687.
I just saw it was almost on the VWAPper.
I'm thinking about accumulating shorts, but if it does confirm, I would 100% be cooked.
I'm not laughing at you. It's like, I'll be cooked. I'll be cooked.
I'm loading up my printer for a short right now. So I would be cooked as well, BP. Crock pot style, slow and roasted.
I'm gonna at least set my entry at this wick.
There we
You
go.
start the crock pot, and the neighbor comes like, "No bueno, why are you cooking that meat?"
Is that a crock pot I smell in your house? How do you know? What?
You turn on the coffee pot. It's like, hey, are you brewing some coffee? I'm just trying to imagine your face. Like,
Don't put that Columbia blend in there.
We like having fun on these streams, folks. Good morning. You're listening to me and the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. Simply enjoying our lives, printing these markets with y'all, and chilling.
BP, we was right on that short, bro. 5 minutes.
Dude, I know.
I didn't take it either, so I don't want you to think I didn't take it.
Oh no, you're good. You're good.
I'm waiting for this other wick to clear. I got my lines drawn like Duane, and if it clears with some follow through, I'm entering.
Well, I'm just waiting for Duane to use up that the buoyancy, and then once it starts rocking, then he'll just.
Oh, I'm in right now. I'm already in.
Well, one thing that I have noticed
that's why
is
I'm letting
that
you ride the flag, and then once it's done, we're gonna like.
You're letting me ride the lightning?
I think that the 1 minute on NQ is making a lower low, and the 1 minute on ES is making a higher low. So I feel like ES is trying to work its way up to that 5 minute high.
I should have added. Man, I should have added.
We gotta tap that.
But that would still. Yeah, that would still make NQ like the stronger asset for shorts.
Add it again right there. Do I add?
Hey BP, do you use the RSI?
No. I don't use the RSI. I used to use it, but it used to fake me out in like very bullish or very bearish markets because it would just stay at the top or stay at the bottom.
Damn. That's how I felt about like the stochastic oscillator. Like it'll just be always floating at the top or floating at the bottom, and then in the middle is super duper choppy. So it's like, give me an entry confirmation, motherfucker. Damn it.
Yeah, of course, this thing want to pop back up on me. Crash.
Kick it over here.
ES is trying to push that 5 minute high right now.
Is it? You think ES is gonna head up to the EMA?
ES is above it, but then it flashed back down for a second. This could be a potential, just depending on how the reactions we get from this point. If NQ fails to keep pushing higher, then this could be like ES is sweeping liquidity and then gonna make NQ more bearish. But I would hate to see it confirm and then just keep pushing up.
I think we're gonna go up to tap that 21 EMA. I'm looking on TradingView, kind of pushing up just a little bit. We got a nice rejection candle too, and we haven't touched the 21 EMA since we had that massive dump this morning. So maybe we'll go up and tag it, and then push down. We also underneath the VWAP too.
Underneath the VWAP.
Hey, that was good. Still, I need to put you in the studio. You trying to make a hit?
Oh yeah, we're doing it. Like,
Hey, I'm like Suge Knight, man. I'm gonna put you in a contract that you can't get out of, bro.
I'm like Suge Knight. That's crazy. That's crazy.
Sure, all your kids don't go. Wait, which coast am I at? Because I was California where I grew up, but now I'm like East Coast, so I guess I changed my allegiance.
Hey, either one is fine, bro. As long as you sign on the dotted line, It's gonna be a
Well,
90,
as long as
10
BB's
split.
there making the beats, then we're fucking in business.
Look, bro, it's a 90-10-5 split, bro. Like,
Sound like the prop
5.
firms.
Reversed.
Okay, it looked like a nice flag building on the 5 minute.
Liking this kind of reaction.
Yeah, me too. I like that with that little push down. So I already have my lines ready to go. If she break through with some follow through, I'm jumping in.
Yeah, I think I would also take this short.
I'm already in it.
Damn, D-Dub.
I've been in it. I just added another contract to it as well.
I just want to see the confirmation for this trade with a good candle closure somewhere between like the 295 to like 288.
Or at that whole number area.
Yeah. Oh, did not get that push to that whole number.
14 seconds on the 1 minute candle. And the other two are going to be a minute plus.
Yeah, I didn't get the confirmation to take it. ES has like 55 seconds before it closes above this 5 minute.
I'm expecting a fast swipe.
Oh.
But the Bears are not stepping
pushing.
the way I want them to.
Been running that new MACD setup that I've shared with the BP Meister, and so it's kind of showing some stuff right now. So it's just like it's trying, but it's not giving me a confirmation yet.
Come on, Betsy. Give me my play. Give me my play that I've been waiting for.
I don't like that ES closed above it at the very last second. Because it was looking like it was going to close below, but... Oh, here we go, maybe.
We get down to this 1 point, and then it just pops right up close to that whole number. That's what I'm not feeling.
I have an add in at like 328, but I hope it doesn't pop up that far. And I said that, and it just did that.
It's listening to you, BP. Be careful. Be careful what you say, bro.
My bad, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, that 5 minute candle on ES is looking like it's gonna recorrelate NQ.
Come on, Betsy. You can do it, girl. You're looking heavy. Show me how heavy you gonna be.
Wow. Come on.
Come on, Betsy. Come on, Betsy. Please.
New low.
Please get me out of this trade. This ain't no micro scale, I'll tell you that.
Get me out of here.
It's like the black flag logo on the 1 minute. It just going along.
I think I'm gonna partial out at 295. Come on, it it's looking heavy. Let's just go.
It is looking heavy, but this thing is playing with us, man. We get through that 300. This thing's gonna swipe low quick, but we gotta get through that 300. It's just not having that push.
Don't change. You gotta get through the 300 and then like at least like give me 6 points.
Here we go. Let's see if we get it. Let's get it
moving.
Oh
wow.
Come on. It's right there. It wants to go, boys. This thing wants to go.
Hey, I got my partial.
Let's go, BP. Let's go. BP's printing over here. Got his partial.
Yes, sir. I do hope that where my partial is, it doesn't just bounce from it, though.
We should be rolling all the way back down here.
Yeah, well, the 1002 candle was like that last manipulation candle. That's kind of why I was like, let's see if we can clear it. We're looking like it. We're digging deeper. We're halfway into it. We got to get to like 267 for like a full clear.
I'll take that. I'm done trading. Your boy I just need a freaking quit point.
Well, I closed out too, just because you're closed out.
Well, don't close because of me, bro. Don't close because of me, BP.
No, you have good luck. I've seen it so many times. Duane will close and it'll just have a crazy spike.
It's not good luck. It's skill, bro. This ain't luck here. This is skill.
He's got the discernment to know when a crazy reversal is about to happen too. So.
No, like it's gonna keep flushing, but I just got this account right here funded, so that's why I killed mine, because I just got this account funded right here because I need like $300 more, and you know we're overachievers over here, so
this is a W trade. We got the new low.
So
I only killed it for like $10 less, so it wasn't like a huge deal. I just didn't want to get reversed on for $10.
No, of course,
Yeah.
like trust me, I get it. I get it, Stan.
How many of us had that happen where you're holding for that $10 and then it just that $10 costs the hell out of you?
For real.
Hey, how's Amon doing? Yeah, has he checked in?
Yeah, he said, "Who is this guy? Handcuff him. He needs to be stopped."
Oh, he did not.
He did say that.
Well, maybe he. Well, he was talking about BP.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm getting that on this shirt, bro. I don't want to get reversed on for $10. I'm putting that on the shizzard.
You're gonna be like the king of like. You're gonna be like one of those guys. You walk out of the room, come back, you have a new T-shirt on. It's like, wait a second.
Also, NQ is the only one that.
Yeah, I'm taking all you guys.
So my target, my target is 223.75, 223.75 there. Oh no, 223.50, 223.50. That's my first official target from the low of the 15-minute range. We're below the Asia low as well. So at this point, be careful with these buyers trying to step in here. I do feel like we're going to flush to that 223.50 though. This is not financial advice. This is entertainment purposes only. Remember that. So if you take a bad trade, don't be blaming me. Don't be closing your stuff because I get out sometimes. It's okay.
And the Dow is going north. Wow. Do you see that BP? I didn't even look at it.
I haven't even checked it today.
It's pretty funny, actually. So at the top of the orb, gonna come back in.
Come on, I was patient with you. Give me a large meat lover's pizza. Come on, don't do me like that.
Give him his meat lovers.
It sounded like a Barry White song. He's like, you know.
Oh no, I don't
was
like that
patient
reaction
with
right
you.
here. it might be like a small red candle, and then it might pop up to like halfway, and then
I
pop
got a
back
bottle
down.
of wine.
Decent little day. Decent little day.
Holy shit,
Steve,
flush.
bro, stop. Now you gonna give me a cramp, bro.
I got a bottle of
No,
wine.
flush,
I've been
flush,
patient with
flush.
you.
Yes, it's a good flush.
Steve, bro. And I actually listened to Barry White too, bro. So it sounds like something he would say, bro. That's why it's funny.
Me too, man. I have a lot of his records. Like Platter,
I got
vinyl.
a bottle of wine. A bottle of wine. I've been patient.
I've got a bottle of wine. You're looking good. I've been patient with you. And then it goes into the song.
That's so funny.
That's a very aggressive thing to say too. It's like, I got a bottle of wine. I've been patient with you, but then he starts singing, and it's like,
Yeah,
a
but see,
beautiful
like Barry White can
moment.
pull it off because it's like
Good
Barry
job,
White-
Niner. Good job, bro. Just saw his chat. Niner crushing a meeting with us on mute. So I don't know how he can multitask like that. Was Steve talking his foolishness and Niner in a meeting?
Well, he had us on mute, so.
No, I know.
No, that'd be funny though if he didn't have us on mute, cracking up in the middle of the meeting.
He's like, they're talking about Barry White. What's going on?
bro, Niner, I'm about to send you my login credentials, bro. You be crushing it every day. Niner be in here like 20,000, 15,000, 9,000.
Bro, I haven't seen him say 20,000 yet.
Yo.
His time is coming. His time is coming, but no, solid day for a freaking full port Friday day, boys. Hey, good job, Maxwell. Back-to-back winning trades. Good job, fam. Like shooting fish in a barrel here, boys.
I like it.
Oh, you and me both, fam. What? I'm trying to take some payouts before Mexico, bro. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not trading any more funded accounts for the day. I'm done trading. This was a solid full port Friday. I'm gonna just vibe with y'all. I'll make some calls, all that stuff here if I see something that's looking juicy. But I'm working on getting a payout from 5 funded accounts before I go to Mexico. Mexico's already paid for, but if I could just get a little bit more money, maybe I'll rent a yacht while out there or something. Tell Anthony, come on the yacht, bro. We're going yachting.
Let's go.
Because for everyone that doesn't know, I'm meeting up with Anthony. He's one of my market makers here in the Legacy Wealth Society. In Mexico. He's going to be over by where I'm staying. So we're going to link up, hang out, talk trading, vibe, everything like that. And of course, I'm going to vlog it for y'all so y'all can see what that interaction is going to look like. But we're just vibing, folks. Truly trying to make sure you guys are winning each and every day so you can secure your freedom. What's cooking? Good looking. Woo! Don't let my girl see. I'm just playing. That is my girl in chat, boys. Don't you worry. Don't y'all worry. That's my girl in the chat. Baby, just know. Have you guys heard that one song that went viral about that spin that ish? Yeah. That's, baby, don't look at the screen. Let me actually black that out so she can't see it. She's going, oh, he made money. What we spending it on, honey? No, not today. Not today. Calm it down. Commentate.
Tell them to get the yacht from Mexico. I'm bringing the champagne. Bring the yacht, D-Dub. Get the yacht.
We gonna see.
Hey, Duane said he renting a yacht from Mexico.
Yo, calm down.
All right.
Don't be saying nothing. Relax. I said maybe. I gotta get some payouts, bro. Jesus.
Holding it to you now. First
Like
impression,
Anthony
bro.
be.
First impression.
Diddy's ex-girlfriend made that song. That's crazy that Diddy's ex-girlfriend made that song. Because that's all my girl be doing. She be like, yeah, my girl, stop it. Leave me alone. But yeah, I'm gonna keep base hitting. So my whole goal is just to stay consistent, base hitting all the way to the 31st of this month. Because on the 31st, I'll request the payout from Lucid and Tradeify and just add the bank account before I hit Mexico.
Sounds like a good idea.
Are we going to get another bear flag here? I feel like we're trying to form a bear flag here on the 5. Because we have that nice pull push down, you know what I'm saying? So we may be getting something, but I'm done. I'm done executing. We sniped the freaking markets today, boys. I gotta stand up. I got too much energy right now. I don't know if it's because I'm one more day closer in Mexico. I don't know what it is, but your boy is freaking dialed. Like a trained freaking assassin. That's all I know. For everyone on the YouTube stream, hopefully you're winning today. Because if you're on these streams, that means you should be winning because we simply print each and every freaking day. So y'all can print with. So if you are on the YouTube streams, on the horizontal or the vertical, yes, I stream both ways for y'all. So wherever you are, we're there. Make sure you're hitting that freaking like button so YouTube will keep pushing these streams to people just like yourself. Quality traders that want to win the market each and every day to secure their freedom. Tonight we got the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we're talking trading, we're talking life. I was thinking about possibly trying to see if we could do something like a game night or something. I gotta see how that would work on the stream. But we're gonna have some fun tonight for Friday night. We're just gonna be chilling. Hopefully you guys come and hang out with us. If not, you're a loss, not ours.
Hey Steve, on my new shirt, right across my stomach, I'm gonna put horizontal view, and on the back, I'm gonna put vertical view.
Well, there you go. And to do the vertical view, like right where your spine is, there, and then
Exactly, bro. Exactly. We got t-shirts for the low. T-shirts for the low.
For the low ski. Yeah, this is looking like on that 2 minute too, that this may try doing a little bear flag here. We did swipe my target earlier. I wasn't even paying attention to that. To be honest. My bad, folks. That's on me. That's on me. Eddie, are you in here? Are you in the chat, Eddie? If you're in the chat, Eddie, make it be known, bro. Make yourself known if you're in the chat. Eddie's one of my new builders in the past 2 days. So he was in the builders training on Tuesday night. The playback for all the builders, market makers, profit takers are under the builders tab for the playback from that training. He's been using the strategy. The very first day using the strategy, made $1,000.
Hey.
Yesterday, he made $1,600 using the strategy. The strategy simply works, folks. Don't complicate. Just follow it to the T, and it will print for you.
Hey, good job, Eddie, bro. Welcome to the family, OG.
Yep, super proud of him. Super proud of him. And he himself said, he's like, oh, the biggest thing for me is not to let my mind complicate the strategy because it's so simple. My bro, if you can just follow it to the T, you're going to print, fam. And that's what he's been doing. Man's been printing, just like my market man. Just like y'all be printing. This man printing using the strat, bro. It's crazy. I love seeing people win. That's my whole thing. I get off on people winning. And it's like, I love it. Gets me excited because if you guys win, that means I can win. We're going to tag that 21 EMA for 298. 298 is where that 21 EMA. We're going to go up there and tag it. Let's see if we reject off of it. That it's plausible that we reject off of it because it has been very bearish today. We just got to wait to see what we actually get here.
Hey, Eddie, I just want to say, bro, next step. Might as well join the family up with us, bro. I can tell you that the guys that I met here, bro, are super duper humble, realistic, and family oriented, bro. So this is like the best place. Eddie, if you like me, bro, and you were searching for like-minded people, bro, this is where it's at. Trust me.
Thank you, Anthony. That makes me feel good. Know that you feel that way about the market makers and all that, bro. No?
Yeah, bro. Good mentors, bro. Duane is a great mentor. Steve will have you laughing, bro. Like, I mean, he's also good at what he does too, bro. I was spending the years searching for humble people to be around, bro. Nah, bro. They keep it real, bro.
Hey, at the end of the day, right? When it comes to trading, there's a lot of different communities, everything like that out there, but not all communities are the same. Like for Legacy, our whole goal is to make sure each person's winning. You know what I'm saying? So if you come with the correct attitude, wanting to learn, wanting to win, you're going to get the results. And that's it. And the fact that, like, for you, like, the whole thing with the market makers group, right? The reason why I did the market makers group is because at the end of the day, some people want to get the results faster. And proximity to myself, some of the other market makers as well, will help fast track your success because you're no longer in your head. You're no longer saying, oh, should I do this? Should I not? You're hearing legit traders, legit voices that are in the markets help you so you can fast track your success. That's all it is. Because I remember when I was trying to learn how to trade dolo, I had nobody to talk to, nobody to vibe with. I'm like, man, this is extremely lonely trying to learn how to trade. That's why I created the Legacy Wealth Society. It's for traders, by traders, making sure each trader's winning. That's it.
I got nobody to vibe with, but I got a bottle of wine.
I've been patient with you.
Now I know how C be doing it. Hey, baby, I've been patient. You know what I'm saying? Like, I got the wine, so if you need that, let me know. But I've been patient, baby. Did we just get another bear flag here? Are we going to flush further down? Man. I need less than $1,000.
What's up?
I was just saying I ain't forget about you, bro. I didn't mention you in my very speech right there, but BP is also good too, bro. Technical assassin, very cool person, bro. Like,
Duane is an
hey,
icon.
come on, bro. We're waiting for you, bro.
BB is technical. Steve is just a clown.
Pretty much, Steve. You're the class clown. You make everybody laugh. And you keep everybody honest as well. You keep everybody honest as well because you'll be like, we got that whole number right there. We got news right there. And I'm like, yeah, I know, but I still want to push the button, Steve. Like, you keep us accountable. And that's necessary. Oh, man. Now I'm ready to work out. Because it's weird. Like, some Fridays, they're bangers like today. Then other Fridays, they're straight chopping. I get chopped. But today's a banger Friday, full pour Friday. And I'm, like, feeling it. Not going to lie. Ooh, that made...
I'm 8 days away. I'm 8 days away. I cannot wait.
Bro, listen, that's all me and my girl been doing, bro. We've been counting down the days. But yep, we have one more Friday before we're gearing up to leave. I know. We just gotta get there.
And it's just you, right? Not the kids?
No kids. No kids going on this trip.
Because I remember last time you went out there, you weren't feeling 100%.
No, I know. That's why I'm even more excited. Because I'm doing everything possible to keep the body dialed.
Yeah, because you had that pec tear or whatever.
I had the pec arm tear. Then I pretty much had like ammonia too, the way I was coughing. Like, it was just a painful experience out there.
Yeah,
But I had that
like
before I went.
Yeah.
I didn't pay for the travel insurance, so I wasn't going to be able to get my money back, so we had to go. So. Yeah. But yeah, this one, I'm in there like swimwear. I'm going to be everywhere. I'm going to be here, there, and then around town. That's it. And I'm checking with my doctor while I'm out there too. Get my MRI done.
Let me ask y'all a question. So on the 1 minute, we pushed it through the 21 EMA, but on the 5 minute, we are approaching the 21 EMA. So if we haven't tagged it on the 5 minute, do you think we're gonna continue down, or do you think the 1 minute is gonna continue to push up until we tag on the 5 minute?
I think it's all about watching the reaction, and at least you know that there's a 1 minute level there on the 21, and then you're waiting to see if we're gonna go past it to try to work our way up to that 5 minute level that you have.
Okay.
Yeah, the 1 minute, the 2 minutes resting on it right
Yeah,
now.
I would also say this is a bull flag right here. So I would be looking for a long once we get back into the 15-minute range, because this is showing a bull flag.
So basically, on the shorter time frame, we're waiting for a pullback to tap that 21 EMA again, and then shoot up to where the 1 minute is going to finally match with the 5 minute. I'm just talking about from the EMA like 21 standpoint, because we passed it on the shorter time frame on the 1 minute, but on the 5 minute, we're creeping up towards it. So in my mind, I'm thinking in order for that 5 minutes to really push up there, this 1 minute needs to come back down.
And if you look at the 2 minute, the last closure was sitting, the last candle body was sitting right up on the 21.
Yep.
So I mean, it's just like it's.
This is just where we gotta wait. Draw your lines in the sand. Say, okay, if we break above here, I'm in for the long. If we break below here, I'm in for the short. Because we're not going to trade the sideways.
Correct.
But I feel like this is going to pop up.
If that's how you feel too, if that's how you feel, D-Dub, then that means that I'm reading it right, man, because that's what I'm saying. If the 5 minute haven't touched that 21 EMA yet, then that means once that 1 minute push down and kind of swipe it, that'll give the 5 minute enough power to push up. So I'm thinking,
if it gets back in the range, then we're going to be heading in there.
And we break below this middle line, that doodle I just did, that's when I may switch thinking to looking for a short. But until we break below this middle yellow line, I'm still looking for a bullish play.
Bro, I just took a ginger shot like 30 minutes ago, so my mind is like firing on all fucking neurons right now. Pew, 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 pew. Steve, you take ginger shots, bro?
I do.
Sometimes we grow ginger here, but we don't have any fresh right now. But like my wife, she's an herbalist, so she makes like tinctures and stuff. Those are the bomb.
Oh wow. You lucky then, Steve. Herbalist, bro. Wow,
Oh, yeah, no,
congratulations.
She's amazing. She does like she makes tinctures for everything and good stuff.
Have a good one, Moan. Talk to you tonight, brother. I still feel if these bulls step in, they're going to rip this thing fast. I feel like they're going to swipe it with speed. But we got to get through that 21 EMA. And I would want to get into the low of the 15-minute range before jumping in. We're coming down towards the middle, well, the 50% of the flag. So the 50% of the flag, that middle line that I put there for if this is going to be a bull flag, if it crosses below that, that means it may negate the bull flag. It doesn't mean the bull flag may not pan out, but for me personally, I'll become a little bit more hesitant of looking for the bull flag in that moment. If the structure of the bull flag drops more than 50% of the pole. I need like $1,000 total on my Lucid daily funded accounts to start taking payouts. So your boy is like, oh, next week we gonna be starting to get those daily payouts from Lucid. Let's see what we get here, because this thing's still adding structure, but we have these selling wicks on these 2 candles right now in the 2 minutes. So that's what I'm looking at. Since we do have some selling pressure here, I want to see the bulls push this up to clear that selling pressure out. So just clear the previous candle selling pressure. There we go. Tag my yellow line there. Tag my yellow line there. Let's see if we get through it with some follow through.
Come on, push, push.
We're sitting right on this EMA. That EMA is holding us down right now. We gotta get above that EMA if we're gonna start running. Right there, it's right there, boys. All right, not getting that push through the EMA how we wanted. Showing selling pressure. All right. I'm glad I don't have to trade this right now. Back up to my yellow line there. Are we getting ready to rocket ship?
Let's go. Let's get a push. I need to push up to that EMA. Go tap it on the 5-minute chart. Let's go. Run, run, run.
Run, Betsy. Run, girl. Come on now.
Run.
I got my bottle of wine. I'm ready.
I know what Steve's trying to get into tonight with his. He's like, he's prepping for tonight, boys. He's like, I got my bottle of wine chilling right now, waiting for tonight.
Let me into that VWAP, baby.
Let me into that VWAP.
BP, are you in on the trade right now?
No, I'm not. I'm thinking of taking a short, but I don't know.
A short, okay. We do have selling pressure here, so we do have some selling pressure.
Uh-oh.
I didn't
Didn't
take
like
it,
that.
but I wanted
Good
to.
down.
You gotta trust yourself, BP. Until we hit that middle line I put there, I would still be waiting for a bull play. What's up, Motion? How you trading today, bro? How you trading, brother? Hopefully you're being patient and executing. Hey, let's go, Motion. Congrats, fam. Motion just secured another funded. He has profit target on his eval. Good job, bro.
I'm just waiting for Moose to creep in here and hit me with that big number. Guys, I
No.
just hit that 1700.
Nah, Moose ain't sliding in here. Not into today. He ain't coming in today. Yeah, this thing's getting ready to pump.
Come on, go. There we go.
Okay,
I like
hold
that.
number. Let's see.
There's the 20 low of the 15-minute range tag right there. Yeah, she going pump. Nice, Motion. Good job, bro. Happy for you. Oh, this is nice. I've been done trading since 10/19. Just chilling. Solid day. Solid day. Oh, well, the consistency, bro. You just need to come back on Monday, base hit for 1 or 2 days to get that consistency down. You'll be set, bro. For the people on the YouTube, tonight we got the Traders Hangout 9:30 p.m. Eastern. I'm gonna be ending the YouTube streams. I'm gonna stay on with the market makers here for the next 15 minutes. So, everyone on YouTube, hopefully you did well today. Stay safe in these markets. And I will catch you guys tonight on the Traders Hangout. I'm gonna sit with the market makers here. So I will catch y'all later. Be blessed, YouTube. Talk to you tonight.